Request a signature from third parties and clients without portal access. Sometimes you might want to request a signature from third parties or those clients who don't use the client portal. For example, you may have a client who needs to file a joint return whose spouse doesn't have portal access. To add an external signer, upload a document to any folder the client can view. Click on the three dots at the far right side and select Request Signature. Once in the document editor, click the Add Signer button and New Signer. Enter their email address and at least first name. If they aren't going to use the portal anymore, just request their signature. Otherwise, click Add Contact and create a new contact right away. It will be linked to the current account. Finally, click Confirm. This will create a new signer for you to choose from. As you would with other clients, just add where they will put their signature. The signer will receive an email from your firm. Once they open it, they will find a link directing them to the document. The link is valid for 7 days. There, they can sign the file. On the firm side, you can follow the document's audit trail. Click the three dots and select Audit Trail. In the account column, you can see that this person signed via the secure link. You may also have clients who have access to the portal, but who want to sign documents without spending time remembering credentials and logging in. In this case, you can allow all clients to sign documents without logging into the portal. Go to Firm Settings and turn off Require Signers to log in. This will allow your existing clients who use the portal to access the document and sign it directly via the link.